Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you stay and enjoy my contents. So it's Saturday night and not started, but she's at category 2 heading towards Jamaica. Sources say by Monday she's a category 5. I don't know. We don't know what's up with Melissa, but right now she is approaching Jamaica at category 2. So probably by later on or by tomorrow we will see. But them say like by later on into tomorrow, we get rain and everything. Rain was falling, but it stopped fall. So we're just here. It is very serious, very serious. So yeah, what I did today, continue prepare for the storm. I buy extra gas today because say if my gas finish in the storm, nobody not gonna come out in a no storm. No gas man not gonna come out in a no storm. So I just buy a spare gas. I charge up all of the things them. I have water. I full up my machine. If water for gone, I full up my machine with water. So say I have water inside, if you do little things and not for cooking but for do other things. But yeah, so we're here. I'm gonna take you guys through the storm, all when like gone, we go keep updated. But guys, this is very serious and you're gonna see this video after the storm. So I'm just keeping you updated. Today is Saturday. I don't know what tomorrow go bring. I don't know what the next day and the next day and the next day go bring, but it is very serious. We are here prepared and I hope everybody safe. I hope everybody have enough things to keep them, and because that one look very serious. So yeah, stay tuned for more, guys. So remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified. Remember to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Minnie_Burrell. So we just there. I wait. We don't know what this storm go bring. Guys, right now as me speak, me just pass a video of Morant Bay down a St. Thomas. It look like, I don't know if a river come down on the road or what, but the whole place a flood out. Down a Portland, the whole place a flood out. And this storm no come yet. So imagine when the storm come, like all them people, the sorry for some of them people, they like, them already a flood out and the storm not come yet. So imagine when the storm come. People, me see police a drive around. So a video with police a drive around in our community and I announce the people them feel move now to the shelter. The JUTC bus a come. So they go up on the bus and the bus go bring them to the shelter. A serious business are going, guys. Serious business. So I hope them people they take it serious and really move to the shelter because. Alright guys, so in my last video I stated that I was excited. Like every time I hear storm or hurricane and them things that me like a little excitement. I'm excited and everything, but right now I kinda get a little worried, yeah, because right now a category 3 reach right now. So sources say by Monday a category 5. So Jamaica can't manage that right now. So I kinda take back my chat, because this really serious. I kinda stuffy right now. So this really serious right now, guys. Like is serious. So I take back my chat, because right now I'm scared. Right now, yeah, I'm kind of worried. Because if we would go for a night today, earlier today at the category 1, in a night now, earlier at the category 2, and I reach a category 3. So by tomorrow Sunday, by tomorrow to Monday, I go category 5 with you. But let's see, I don't know. That's what the news said. So let's see what's gonna take place. But it's dry here in Montego Bay. It on and off. No rain, no fall right now, but it time chilly, like breeze a blow. Time cold. So I don't know what tomorrow go bring, but I take back my chat. And I'm not normal. And I'm nothing to be, excited about, because other people life in danger. They have to move, they have to go shelter, they have to this whole heap of thing. Enough people not have it. Enough people not fortunate. So as I say, me have to be grateful, and who have it have to be grateful same way. So you can prepare for your storm, and you're comfortable with it. But some people really not have it, and this really detrimental, as to what I go on right now. I big something right now, because this all reach over CNN news and all of them things. So say a big things for Jamaica right now. So what I tell them, it get serious. It really get serious right now. But let's see. Morning guys, morning. It's Sunday morning. The hurricane is now at category 4. As I did tell you, them say by Monday, a category 5. So it's currently at category 4 now. And here in Montego Bay, the weather is on and off. Right now, sun take time out there. So sun out there so right now. And rain was falling earlier. So just giving you guys an update. But it's at category 4 right now. Serious thing, because Jamaica can't manage category 5 or nothing like that. But it is coming. So just keeping you guys posted. See, sun is out. There's a little rainbow right there. So yeah, see, it's on and off right now. Rain is falling, sun is out. So it's on and off. Melissa no reach here yet, but she'll come strong. Yeah, she'll come strong. So right now rain a fall, sun a shine here in Montego Bay, where I am at. So yeah. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Monday, October 27th, I think. And the storm, the hurricane, is at category 5. And it not come to Jamaica yet. It's gonna make landfall, I think. It's gonna be here within 24 hours. I'm here in Montego Bay, and it's overcast, like nothing. It just still. I'm gonna go outside and let you guys see like what's going on out there. Me no know, but I have my any number can play, any card can play. So I pack my emergency bag. Me pack up my important documents for me and my kids them and all of that. But any number can play. Me full up my bath pans them. I full up my bath pans of water. I full up my machine of water. I have bottles of water in the freezer, you know, if you make ice and all of that. What else me do? Yeah, me prepare myself, but you know, I live in a scheme house and me don't know if them a roof a bill for hurricane or them a house a bill for hurricane. I do not know, because when Ivan did come, I doubt them a scheme house a did bill. So me just there, and I hope and I pray to Father God say them a roof here and this a house structure if it take a category 5 hurricane. So me just there. When I go to know, remember me say any number can play. So I go take down my computer and put it aside. I have some barrel, I put things in a barrel and everything. I have 3 barrel drum out a door full up with water and all of that. But we're just here, guys. We're just here. I go on holy faith because this thing here no normal, it's serious. So I'm gonna go to the door right now for me to see what I go on, and that's just it. Safe place there right now. Nothing too extra now going on. I don't know. What breeze I blow? So, update, a lot of wind. It's 8:04 and me and my brother are about to go on the roof to see what's happening. Hopefully we not blow away. Vou como por essa. So we're out in the rain, we're out in the storm, and the eye has not yet reached. And look how it's going on, guys. Look at it. Oh. And my brother just out. You want to walk up? veranda gone. My neighbor veranda gone. Yes, sir. I'm literally a trigger right now. My neighbor veranda gone. It's just a mess. My fridge. My food. I like how the wire them look like that, so they drop down. Wire them a drop down. Rescue my people. Like them a pull them up on one stick. Father God. Guys, I never nothing normal. The whole place mash up. All of my house flood out everywhere. I put clippings at the scheme, like because I live on a hill, like so I down at the bottom. Oh God, one woman come up last night about for help. She come from down a pan down there, so she about for me to take her in a storm last night. Guys, yo, trust me, the whole place mash up. The whole place mash up. My roof good still. I just want to part the panny, like where internet something did the mash up and you know, but this are never nothing normal. Right now, we just done wipe out and you know my house. We just done wipe out and say I was not really tired or not, but we wipe out and it dry and now. But I tell you, say, trust me, and I'm not good, and I'm not good, and I'm not good. Actually, look at them place mash up. Mash right up. I pan bus, you know. You see the pan there over there, so I bus. Can't see the rest of it. But guys, my phone zooming everything. How far am I there now? I'm gonna catch the other community. The police, that? No, not police. Where the hell is it? Morning. Welcome. The woman said, "Don't the session come from now." Climb up over here, come up here, press come up on a hill. Here we are we rain this again, you know? More rain. I would think this is sitting here gone done, but rain come down. Chaos. Right on the edge, I saw me host them there.
How much are they? The water crash.
Terrible.
Come, it's the tank.
Come on. You all are daddy farm gone. A cliff, isn't it? Look over there, so.
We could see phase 1.
Stay right here, so.
See?
See it up on the gully.
That's what that one
Oh,
is
God.
lane. What about that lane?
And that straight down a gully they're going on.
One river long say no?
Serious?
Come on, river long man. Come on, show river. And this a girl you do what I see there. Where's the drop?
Banana up on the tree now.
How far are you in the pan?
See you now, take you up.
It's not good. Where's the can't see where
That straight down a gully that.
no, man, we can walk going right there, you know.
Eh?
We can walk and go down there, you know.
Eh?
You can go down there every time, more time. And reach here and place it clean out for any time just over here. When I land in there, I said, but I'm going over here, sir.
Oh.
River down there, sir.
River down there, sir.
I'm going to walk down there.
Eh? Alright, you're good on a gully right now.
No, I'm not going to pull them out. Yeah, I'm not going to. As far as you go.
Eh?
As far as you go.
Oh. Me, river that down there, sir?
River.
See river.
The river going on, sir, too. Why? You have to reach the rivers. Can you treat them?
Terrible thing coming up.
Happy? No, not till I rush.
The mirror thing goes so.
Sure.
Could me say no?
The matter is they go on, you know, man.
Where is my bad right now?
Melissa, do we bad,
Bad.
but we are still alive.
No?
Give thanks and praise every time.
It's a terrible little girl.
Right.
Terrible piece of girl come here, sir. Imagine the people.
No!
Yeah, what happened?
Yes, baby, look. It's my thing.
And it's like a corner.
Look. Yes. Yes.
The road has never been good at all.
You just jump down, sir.
Look at the box.
Stay right there, sir, mama.
Yeah.
Stay right there, sir. Stop now, no?
Honestly, if you move your car away in the night, like you try to hide, like you say, yo, alright, you miss it right there, Melissa. Don't push over that car there.
You know, the back mirror physical, back window.
Oh, man.
Careful.
I feel
Fix it up, please.
Oh, that's how you move it. Make the truck Harley.
So, yeah.
So,
Just turn the
Krista,
steering,
you
make
can't
the truck
move.
Harley. And then install. And problem I rear wheel driving. Pressure up on the ground. Vibration.
and then the pressure go down on your ear, so.
Go broke way.
That's the start.
Me and stay right here, sir.
That's the asphalt.
And if you're gonna further.
Asphalt on the road.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna close off the vlog right here. As you can see, it's night, light gone, and to the way how the place stay, we don't know when light go come back, like a 40 days and 40 nights business, because everyone I light something them drop down. So we don't know when light go come back. We don't have no service, and we just don't know when things go back to normal. So I have to end the vlog right here. Whenever light come back, I have, or whenever I get service on my phone, I have a planning, but I just no service not there on the phone. I think say none of Jamaica have no service right now. So I hope everybody good, you know. Nobody can reach out to me, me can reach out to nobody because there is no service. I have a plan for my phone, but there is no service. I can't make no call, nothing at all on everybody's phone. So I don't know about my rest of family member them outside of my community, you know, like my cousin them and so people are reach out to me, I not get no message or nothing like that. But I know say people are reach out to me. But anyways, as we say, I think any vlog right here because I want to see exactly what take place. I want to see exactly what take place. And I'm not good. And can you imagine the people them are like down at St. Elizabeth Park, so where them not fully recover from burial, and then this come mash up the place. Like my father and my mother go over Granville today, community Granville, and trust me, no one see over Granville. No one see over Granville. I don't know if me get little clippings from my father, me show no, but I don't want to see over Granville community. Like me believe say every community in Jamaica get mash up. And then a first scheme ever mash up like this. First scheme ever mash up like this. So if a scheme looks so, imagine the other communities in a St. James and all over Jamaica. But boy, may I tell you say this was, it traumatized me. I don't know how to explain. It traumatized me. It traumatized me bad. I don't know, like, boy, You see, like how back in the days, them tell me about Gilbert, like grandparents, and you know, tell me about Gilbert. It look like a we have it go tell for your grandparents them about Melissa, because this one, and then to the way how them they talk about Gilbert was category 3. Me never know say Gilbert at the category 3, and now Melissa a category 5. Can you imagine? Eh? And then me not have no service or no office see like on the internet the other communities, but me know for a fact say other people get damaged. All the people them down there, so like if I made it in other situation, they like me no know more mad out. Your house gone and your vehicle gone. That rough, you know? That really rough. That really rough. Like my heart goes out to them people. They like me really and truly sorry for them. Like, and the water now go down. Boy, I really feel how you know? It really sad. It really and truly sad. Really and truly sad for me. I work in a community and you see people always just, you know, some people we have built up for them structure gone, everything gone, tree drop on the house, this, that, whatever. Like, it's so sad, like, you know. Give thanks, you know, me give thanks, me grateful, say, me know, you know, me grateful. I'm really grateful, say nothing like that never happened to my house or you know, none of my people them house. Like me really give thanks, say, you know, yeah, because I don't know what more to do. Like with me and the pitney them fear flood out them really, like it really sad, me I tell you. As we say, my heart goes out to them people, my heart goes out to everybody who lose them house, who lose them vehicle, who lose whatever is important to them. Guys, people overseas, when they check up on the family them and make sure say them good. If they can help out in a no way, you know, like I don't know, if they can help them out, please help them out, because it's really hard out here. It really hard. Melissa mash up a whole place, like it really rough. It was a chaos. It was a chaos. and I don't know if it joke about it very serious and just sad. You know? It really sad. Like, I don't know, I can't believe what happened. You all I road tear out everywhere. I know say and this a community alone. Every part of Jamaica. But as me say, I have to give thanks. So I no go through them the rough stage there. I really give thanks. So I no go through them the rough part there, because honestly I don't know how I would manage. I don't know how I would manage, but it really sad. But as I say, I don't know when I go get the vlog here, when me get back service. And yeah, me just have to end the vlog right here. Remember guys to, you know, like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at mini_burrell. Guys, if you're living overseas or you're in Jamaica, just reach out to your family member and see if they're good. If you can help them out in any way, you help them out, because I know enough people lose a lot of things. Enough people lose a lot of things. And I know some people will lose it's tough them to know how they go get it back, because probably they don't have no money and, you know, things just rough. But reach out to them. I hope everybody continue to stay safe and bless upon yourself, right? So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.